When my company forced me into retirement at the age of 66, I realized something very scary. I had no backup plan. I thought the money that I'd saved would be enough. But between the rising costs and unexpected expenses, I just didn't have enough. I felt so embarrassed, overwhelmed, and completely unsure of what my next step was going to be. That's when I found the Legacy Builders program in April 2024. It just wasn't overwhelming like so many other online businesses. It was clear, simple, and the best of all, it worked for someone who wasn't even tech savvy. It allowed me to take control of my financial situation without having to start from scratch. And now I have that income coming in month after month. And it feels amazing that I have that safety net. So if you are still working and you think you still have time, it really goes faster than you think. Put a yes in the comments and let me show you how to prepare now.